The thought of human jobs being replaced by robots with the advancement and speed in technology are a threat to employees. Recent news report shows how robots take the place of humans in the hospital, and only a few weeks ago we saw a report on robot news presenter which causes a stir online. Emmanuel Obed, identified as Emma Pencil and CEO of Guru Robotics, disclosed that there is the need for upgrade as robots makes job easier and faster.
Robots are actually very important because they make jobs easier, every job. So my advice for every viewer watching this video is that you advance more, upgrade yourself, very, very important.
If this is a welcome idea, he speaks further on the way forward and the benefits of robots in the workplace.
The increasing use of robots in workplace is transforming the way we work, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. While some jobs may be at risk of automation, the use of robots is also creating new job opportunities and in areas such as programming, maintenance, and repair.
Speaking on trust for ChatGPT and AI in schools, he said it would appreciate the mindset of young adults. He advised that it should be used as a tool instead. The importance of robots and ChatGPT for the future of work in Nigeria, Obed has this to say.
Looking at ChatGPT in our school is actually making kids depreciate their brains because they trust it too much. But looking at the future of ChatGPT, when you know how to use it very well as a tool, it's better instead of taking it as something intelligent than you.
Meanwhile, Tim Akonwo, the CEO of New Horizon, shares his thought.
The future of job is scary, and that's the truth. Like I told the audience today, ChatGPT is what we call Google killer. Google is at the top of technology, but nobody saw ChatGPT coming. ChatGPT is using OpenAI, artificial intelligence, to mimic human beings. And right now, they've not even gone mainstream. But with the little they've done now, so many professions have been rendered useless.